Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to use the rows function in Excel. For this, let us go to the Excel sheet and give like is equal to rows and open brace and select the cell value which you wanted to identify. So, and then give enter, it says like 1. So we have selected only one row. Similarly, we can identify the rows of a particular array or range. For this, what we can do is equal to rows and then select the value, drag it till where you wanted and close the end parenthesis. And if you give enter, it says like 7. So we have identified or selected from G6 to G12. So it has 7 rows of data. And the another usage of rows function is equal to rows and open brace and give it as H $4. So it means like we are making it as constant H4 colon, and then we are selecting the value as J4 and close the end parenthesis. If you give enter, it says like one row of data. So it says like from H4 to J4, it is one cell or one row of data. From H4 to J4, it is, if you drag this particular cell till the end, it will give the values or the numbers automatically, serial numbers automatically. If you go to this, it says like from H4 to J5, it is 2. From H4 to J6, it is 3. Likewise, we can identify the serial numbers automatically with the function of rows. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to the channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials and tips like this.